Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your history from the HomePod mini device using your iPhone and Home app. So to do this, you'll need to install the Home app on your iPhone, then open it, go to Home, and make sure you select the device that you want to delete the history from. So I'm going to choose this one because I only have one. Then scroll down, find Siri history, and just press delete Siri history like that, and your history should be wiped. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.